how to get a refund on Qatar Airways. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this special tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can get a refund from Qatar Airways. So to request a refund from Qatar Airways, follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to log in into your Qatar Airways account on the website, and then once you're logged in, you can use any web browser of your choice. You could use Chrome, you could use Safari, you could use Firefox. For me, I am using Chrome. Then once you're logged in and you can see the Qatar Airways logo by the top left corner, you can see some tabs, and then on the screen you can see book a flight, Qatar stopover, etc. Once you can see this, the next step is to go ahead and select manage booking slash check in. So after clicking on manage booking, you'll be asked to enter your booking reference, your last name, then you click on retrieve booking. After clicking on that, you'll be taken to the bookings page automatically. So once you're on this bookings page, you will see some options. Ensure you choose the modify flights option. All right, just click on modify flight option. Once you click on that, a box will be displayed as well, displaying a list of options as well. So this option, select cancel and refund. All right, just select cancel and refund just like that. Then once you've done that, you'll be redirected to another page. Follow the prompts, follow the instructions, and then your refund request would be sent. Now you must note that there might be a processing time of up to 10 working days for the refund. Okay, and then if the refund is not forthcoming as fast as it should, you can just contact the customer support for more questions. And how do you do that? Move to the top right corner of the screen after logging in into your account, click on the help option, and then you'll be directed to the help page. On this page, you can ask different kind of questions that you want. You can check out the frequently asked questions if your question is there, and then you can also chat with the live chats by scrolling down to the lowest part of the screen where you can see live chats to just directly ask for your money. So this is how it works. This is how you can request a refund or get a refund from Qatar Airways. Thanks for watching and have a good day.